studying 8th class A section. My project name is DIY measurement system in ZPHS Ravela High School in ATL lab June month. To, to design to design and build a simple rainfall measurement system using an Arduino Uno and a raindrop sensor to detect rainfall interactive and display the result on the serial monitor or an LCD. The objective of this project is to detect prevents and intensity of rain using a raindrop sensor connecting to an Arduino.
Hi everyone, my name is Avinash. I am studying 7th class B section in ZPHS Ravila. I am tell about uh, ra- rainfall measurement system components. Components required: Arduino Uno, raindrop sensor model, sensor plotted plus control control board, jumper cables, breadboard breadboard USB cable 16 into 2, LCD with 12C model optional, buzzer or LED optional.
My name is Srivani. I am studying 8th class A section. I am tell about working principle. The raindrop sensor consists of a conductive plate copper tracks. When raindrop fall on the sensor surface, water creates a conductive path between the tracks, reducing the electrical resistance. The sensor module converts these change into analog voltage. Dry sensor: high analog value around 900 to 1023. Light rain: medium analog value 600 to 900. Moderate rain: lower analog value 300 to 600. Heavy rain: very low and long value below 300.
In normal condition has green LED on, heavy rain has red LED on. Okay, thanks.